Good morning, everybody. 1st of April 2020. This is Dirk from AlgoTrade24.com, Algo Trading Made Simple, with the market overview for Wednesday. All right, let's jump into it. Market behaved a little bit different than we expected, actually. So with the position we did on Monday in S&P 500, our stop loss was actually triggered, had a little bit of loss there. That's part of the game, and that's why we do actually stop losses. So let's have a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar made really quite an interesting development yesterday. In the later evening hours, really recovered from the lows here at 109.31 all the way up north of 110. This morning a little bit of pressure again. So I think the most reasonable thing to do here is actually we will try to short euro dollar to sell euro dollar at around 110 should the market pull up, because it seems like there's a little bit more of downward pressure there at the moment. Good. Not 5 lots, 1 lots. We do a pending order here. Do a sell limit at 109.95. Stop loss we are going to choose just above the high of yesterday, which is, I think, 110.48. Take profit all the way down to 109.08. Let's place it. Okay, you can actually pull this one a little higher like this. Still a very reasonable risk-reward ratio. Once the order is triggered, S&P 500 really doesn't really know what to in which direction to go at the moment. I think everybody's already eyeing on Friday the non-farm payrolls there. I would prefer the short side actually here again, and because it's a very reasonable risk-reward ratio if you enter. So we're going to do the following here today. Pending order again, sell limit at around 1.5, let's say 48. We're going to put in a stop loss over the yesterday's height, so that's like 2.6, around 2.648, and a take profit 2.448. So we have a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which is okay. Nothing wrong about that. Bitcoin still doesn't really know which direction to go. Seems like the resistance zones here between 6.5 or 6.6 and 6.9 pretty hard, but if you've been watching Bitcoin, so once it starts moving in either direction, moves are really strong. It's because the market is not as liquid. It's not a liquid asset really in terms for institutional investors already. If you throw like a lot of money, throw a couple of millions of order volume into Bitcoin at the moment, you can really create substantial moves. So careful with trading that. One thing you could maybe try is, should we go up here, short it again, but have a very tight stop loss, because otherwise you might be caught in the wrong direction. Let's have a look at oil. Oil really low, so there's really no sign of recovery at the moment. And I mean, if we look at like what the economy is doing or probably going to do, like forecast alone for Germany with the economy shrinking between like 2.5% and 25% in 2020. And of course, this tells a lot about the future demand of oil there might be. I'll leave my fingers from oil. I really want to concentrate in this time on the most liquid assets, which are euro dollar, which is the S&P 500, has been working out well for us. Well, this week we had to take a little bit of a loss, but that's part of the game, guys. So that teaches us to stay humble. Yeah, you guys stay safe too. Wish you a happy week, a happy second half of the week ahead, and leave a comment, give us a like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.